Jamaica. Jamaica, turn up the thing all the way.
Sport is the most powerful unifying force in the world.
Big up Jamaica, winning!
Splendid and overwhelming. It's a long time. We deserve this.
The Reggae Boys campaign to Rio continued this week, and though the outcome of the return leg match against the USA didn't go in our favor, the team still has 7 points. But fans at the first leg World Cup qualifier between Jamaica and the USA were given a reason to celebrate last Friday night. The boys picked up 3 valuable points, beating the USA for the very first time. And as the campaign to Rio 2014 continues, loyal fans have their own ideas of how the team should progress.
We just need 2 good midfielders and we'll be ranked right up there.
We need a man to finish in front of goal. We not stop support the Reggae Boys doing up. We love them to death. We love them to our heart. Right? We're there from 98.
The Reggae Boys qualified for the 1998 World Cup finals in France, becoming the first English-speaking Caribbean team to qualify for the World Cup.
What I would like is for all Jamaicans to rally around the Reggae Boys and give them full support. I wish them God's blessings and success, because I think it would be very good for Jamaica to qualify for the World Cup.
Jamaica's next match is against Guatemala on October 12. It's a return leg match which will be held in Guatemala. Go watch the match if you can. And the country welcomed home many of our Olympic stars this week. Shellyanne, Johan, Warren and others touched down to a warm reception from fans, sponsors and government officials.
We thank you. We thank you for having executed so well. We thank you for being the fabulous role model you are for our young people here in Jamaica.
And double world record holder and Olympic champion Usain Bolt also returned to the Rock last week. At a press conference Tuesday, he thanked his fans for their support.
It wasn't a smooth season, but with God, for me, I pushed through. I prayed a lot. I got a lot of prayers from all over the world. I got a lot of love off Facebook. People keep telling me I'm praying for you, keep focused, keep working hard, staying strong, and all these things. So I got a lot of support from all over the world. I want to thank all those people all over the world for the prayer, because I'm sure it went a long way.
In the meantime, Minister Nita Headley says there are plans for the country to formally show its appreciation.
We are going to ensure that come Heroes Weekend, we demonstrate for all of our athletes a special reception and celebration on Heroes Weekend to let all of our Olympians know that Jamaica recognizes the value that you bring to the process of development of this country.
Sports, a powerful unifying force and a critical development tool. Today, we salute our history-making sportsmen and women.
Oh, here's Whitmore. He's through and he scored. And Jamaica have the lead. Jamaica 2-0.